Every summer, from June 1st to November 30th, we know that a hurricane may come our way. But New Orleans is our home. We love it through low and high water. But here, major hurricanes usually trigger a mandatory evacuation. The city is working days in advance of a storm to make sure that everyone can get out safely. The city-assisted evacuation goes into effect when the mayor declares a mandatory evacuation, and it will begin around 54 hours ahead of a storm making landfall on the Louisiana coast. The evacuation pickup points, called EvacuSpots, will then be open to begin registering people, pets, and luggage. Marked by this statue, there are 17 EvacuSpots around the city. 13 of those spots are general population and 4 are at senior centers. You can't get to your closest EvacuSpot because of medical or mobility needs. You may be eligible to be picked up from your home through the Special Needs Registry. Find out if you're eligible for the Special Needs Registry today. You can register at ready.nola.gov or call the New Orleans hotline 311, where an operator will walk you through a few questions about your well-being. You'll be notified if you're added to the registry. General population spots are for able-bodied individuals and families. Public safety officials and a team of volunteers called Evacuteers will be there to help. Evacuteers are trained in city-assisted evacuation registration and procedure every year. The goal of city-assisted evacuation is to make sure that you and your family are safe and out of harm's way. To find your closest EvacuSpot or for information on city-assisted evacuation, call 311 or visit ready.nola.gov.